Hey boys and girls, I am reporting from Studio One Live to explore our question, what will make my paper airplane fly the farthest? Looks like I'm gonna need to do some research now that I have my question. So after checking out our website, which can be found on the Google Doc, I have scrolled through and looked at the different designs, and I've decided that I'm going to be making the basic dart for one of my designs, and I will be making the stable for another design. So these will be my two designs here. And notice how when you click on the paper airplane that you want to make, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to make it. So now that I have my question and I have done my research, it's now time for me to make a hypothesis. So when you make your hypothesis, you can go ahead and type it in on the Google Doc in the text box on the slide that says hypothesis. And my hypothesis for this experiment is that if I make a paper airplane with a pointed edge, it will fly the farthest. I'm now headed over to the Air Force Base for the experiment. Looks like I'll be needing some materials for this. Alright boys and girls, I'm here at the Air Force Base. I picked a spot that gave me lots and lots of room, as you can see, and this is a perfect destination for flying. Let's see how it's gonna go. So first we have the shark. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fly off the shark for trial one. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure from this post right here to see how many feet my paper airplane flew. And if you don't have a ruler, that's okay, you can use your shoes. But I'm just gonna go ahead and count from the post and just see that's 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6 feet for the first trial. Alright, so I'm gonna keep flying my shark for 2 other times because remember we're doing 3 trials for each design. But right now I am going to move on and just show you how the dragon flew. So I'm at my post and I'm gonna go ahead and fly the dragon. There it is. At the post again, using a ruler to count the feet. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 feet. Wow. I'm back from the Air Force Base and back at Studio One. I am going to go to my Google Doc. I'm going to record all the numbers and observations that I've made on my data chart that's going to be collecting data, and then I'll be able to answer some conclusion questions which will tie everything all together and will answer my question, what will make a paper airplane fly the farthest? This has been Mrs. Wesley signing off.